Welcome to Battery Moltke, one of the most significant remnants of German fortifications in the Channel Islands. Situated on the northwest coast of Jersey, this battery was part of Hitler's Atlantic Wall, a vast network of defenses designed to prevent an Allied invasion of German-occupied Europe. Today, it stands as a haunting reminder of World War II's impact on the island and serves as one of the best preserved examples of military fortifications from that period. Battery Moltke was originally constructed to house four 15-centimeter K-18 field guns, capable of striking targets over 25 kilometers away. These guns, however, were never fully installed. Instead, the Germans made do with a mix of artillery, including a single captured French 22-centimeter K532 gun, which still sits on its mounting today. This makes Battery Moltke one of the rare sites where visitors can see an original piece of artillery still in place. This location was crucial due to its elevation and visibility over the surrounding waters, allowing defensive fire across large swathes of the sea to deter enemy naval advancements. The battery included several key structures: an underground munitions store, personnel shelters, and fire control bunkers. The defensive setup was formidable, designed not only for long-range bombardment but also to withstand potential assaults. The bunkers were built from reinforced concrete, some over 2 meters thick, offering strong resistance against aerial or naval bombardment. The area surrounding the battery was carefully chosen to maximize strategic advantage. Located in Leyland, a rugged and elevated part of Jersey, it provided extensive fields of view toward the north and west, covering potential naval approach routes from the Atlantic. The natural terrain of high cliffs and open land meant that enemy forces attempting a direct assault would have faced extreme difficulty in gaining a foothold. Many of these structures follow the Regelbau design, standardized German bunker blueprints used across the Atlantic Wall. However, local adaptations were made based on terrain and strategic importance. Battery Moltke's bunkers were designed to provide self-sustaining fire support and protection for the soldiers stationed here. Beyond the immediate bunkers, the surrounding area was heavily militarized, with trenches, machine gun emplacements, and additional defensive positions spread across the Leyland headland. This entire sector played a critical role in the wider German strategy for defending the Channel Islands, acting as a formidable obstacle against any potential landing operations. Although Jersey was never directly attacked, the fear of invasion led the German occupiers to fortify the island to an extreme degree. The placement of Battery Moltke also complemented other defensive installations in the area, such as La Corbière and Noirmont Point, creating a network of interlocking fire that would have devastated enemy vessels attempting a landing. The Germans also used this site for military exercises, training artillery crews and testing the effectiveness of their coastal defense strategies. The surrounding landscape today, with its rugged cliffs and open expanses, belies its wartime past. However, remnants of additional fortifications, trenches, and defensive positions can still be found hidden in the undergrowth, offering a deeper insight into the intensity of German preparations for an attack that ultimately never came. The most striking structure at Battery Moltke is the Naval Observation Tower, one of several constructed across the Channel Islands. These towers were built to direct fire for coastal artillery batteries and naval engagements. Their design is unique to this region, differing from standard German defensive towers found in mainland Europe. The tower consists of multiple levels, each with a specific purpose. The lower floors provided accommodation and storage, while the upper levels housed advanced range-finding equipment. Slit windows offered near-panoramic views of the coastline, allowing precise targeting of enemy ships. These towers were among the most advanced observation posts of the Atlantic Wall. The observation tower at Battery Moltke was particularly important because of its location. Its high position on the northwest coast allowed German forces to monitor movements across the English Channel and beyond. This was vital intelligence, as any Allied invasion fleet would have likely been spotted from here, long before reaching the shores of Jersey. The Germans initially planned to build even more of these towers to create an interconnected observation and targeting system, allowing defensive artillery to be coordinated across the entire region. However, as the war progressed and German fortunes declined, resources were redirected elsewhere, and several towers were left incomplete. Some of the unfinished structures remain scattered across the islands. Their skeletal remains a testament to the grand ambitions of the German war machine. The island was liberated on May 9, 1945, and the bunkers were abandoned, left as silent witnesses to a conflict that shaped the island's history. Today, visitors to Battery Moltke not only walk through history but also enjoy breathtaking coastal views, making this one of Jersey's most compelling heritage sites. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this venture into Jersey's wartime history, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more explorations of the past.